Adobe Illustrator logo design. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be learning on how you're going to go ahead and design any type of logo on Adobe Illustrator. So, to start yourself off, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to New File. And once we're over here, according to yourself, choose whatever ratios you want. So, let's say I'm going to go with A4. Now, once you go with A4, simply click on Create. All right. Now, once you click on create, simply wait for the design to load up. Now, as you can see, this is our design all loaded up. Now, to create a logo on this, what you're going to first of all want to do is you're going to go ahead and make sure to choose a background for yourself. All right. So, what background do you need? What kind of background do you think is going to look good? So, let's say I'm going to add a gradient for myself. All right. So, you're going to choose whatever gradient colors you want to go with. And once we have chosen that, you're also going to make sure to add any type of consistent coloring behind your design. Now, once you've chosen a good solid background color for yourself, what you're going to do from here is you're going to basically start adding in shapes or you're going to start adding in text regarding to what you want. So in my case, I'm going to go add some shapes in it, okay? So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a star, all right? And once I add a star, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be positioning the star in a different location. Now, once we do that, I'm going to increase the size of the star. And just like this, we're going to put it around here, make it slightly straight. Okay, and once we've done that, obviously you're going to change the fill of the star. So let's say I'm going to make it slightly yellow. Okay, I'm going to move it over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this ellipse tool. Okay, and we're going to create an ellipse right behind the star right here. I'm going to go ahead and take the color and I'm going to go with something like a light blue. All right. And once we've done that, I'm also going to take I'm going to take a different rectangle over here. I'm going to add it right here and I'm going to give this the color orange. All right. Now you're probably wondering why I've just added these images just like so. Now the reason I have done that is because we can use the different features on Adobe Illustrator to allow us to go ahead and blend objects. So let's say I'm going to choose this object and look at that. And we're simply going to do this, hold it here, and look at that. So you can basically create something like that. And obviously it doesn't look the most perfect right now. Just like this, you can create a design and look at how cool that looks. Obviously you can add better outlines for your design. So for this, you can go ahead. I'm going to add in some strokes. All right. So let's go ahead and do that. And once we do that, you can simply align it like this for yourself. So once that is done, go ahead and add any texts or any other shapes or logos that you require for yourself. So let's say in my case, I'm just going to write 5-star illustrated. Okay, that is what we're going to call it. And once I write that down, what we're simply going to do is I'm going to choose a good font for myself. So I'm going to come here. Let's go with a nice cool font. I'm going to go ahead and change the size of it. So let's go with that size. And obviously the color that you're going to be choosing, make sure it matches the main design. So I'm going to choose the text. Here we go. And again, make sure that the coloring you choose is proper. And there we go. So once you've done this, obviously you can go ahead and choose to edit it even further on. Like you can make it much better. You can add more, effects into it. You can add more fills and strokes into it. But obviously that depends on you. But yeah, generally this is how you're going to design a logo in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.